Hello, today's video is a quick one and I would like to show my makeup station. Normally this is a basic and before I apply it I set up like this. After the coronavirus pandemic, our union, Local 76, made a standard for the sanitation, and it's better to be closed, everything's in a box or a container, so nothing is used twice. So like it says, sanitized, and used. It's kind of like dentist office, and whenever I want to use it, I take it out, close it, then use the, let's say, brush, makeup brush or sponge, anything, take it out here for the clients, like dentist, like patient. Then after I use it on this plate, it's a wax paper, then I put it here. When the new actor comes in, I take this off for the cleaning later, and I use a new one. Make sure to sanitize everything before we use. Then these are disposable, it will go to the trash. By the way, that the sponge, I rip it so it has some texture, so it's not straight line. So when you paint it, it doesn't create the lines. And also I have cotton rounds, Q-tips, and sponge, puff, disposable brush, something like small expendables, effects brush, small brush I normally use for beauty makeup, FX sponge, glue brush. You don't want to use for other actors once you use it, so make sure to put it in the box. And I have a lot of stuff: hair care, chip brush, and liquid. I normally put the cheat sheet whenever I want to use. I put it down. This is a basic for me to apply it. Everything is in there. And powder puff, I put the powder here, and I pour alcohol in this one, so sometimes I just want to put it in. And this is extra, and this is CC cups. It's a little bit dirty, but I'll clean it. I just molded the shape of it. So silicone's good thing is it has little bit of tightness, so it doesn't come off easily. That's a good part. Whenever you dip the brush into the glue and try to lift it up, sometimes cups comes off, especially in plastic or resin. When you dip it, you see cups tends to move a little bit. So I still use it, but it's just for me. I made this one for myself so I can use it easily. Sometimes put alcohol and acetone and glue the thinner, and little iron pot from my hometown Iwate prefecture. This is for like paperweight, so whenever I have like call sheet, I put it down. That way when I do the makeup outside, I can put it down. And hand sanitizer, airbrush, and today later I'm gonna do this makeup on myself. The knife goes in and blood is ready. I'm going to use the Karo syrup for the blood pumping. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.